Let's look at how every lesson in the Come Follow Me manual is structured. Note, at the end of the lesson in the manual, there are ideas for teaching children. Those are typically where the primary lessons come from. The presentations I create each week are for learners turning 12 and up. I create the Canva presentations to follow the same structure. There is an introduction in the manual, and every lesson has from 3 to 7 sections. I create an activity or discussion to get the energy moving. I also color code each of the sections so you know where you're at. Each section has a question to start and at least one activity to use in class. The one thing that I add that isn't in the Come Follow Me manual is a wrap-up question. It ties the lesson together and reminds us to find Jesus Christ in the Old Testament. There are linked slides throughout the presentation. Let's see what that means. After the opening activity, you'll find the slide listing all of the sections. Here's an example of a lesson with 4 sections. Each tile is linked to the start of that section. Just click the tile and you're taken to the first slide of that section. In the top left-hand corner of the slide, you'll see an arrow shape that you click to return to the section list. This allows you to use the presentation slide deck like a buffet. Bounce around the slides and use what you want. Let's go back to the example slide. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see an arrow shape that when you click it, it will take you to the wrap-up question at any time. This is a perfect way to think about where we find Jesus Christ in the Old Testament. Here's a screenshot of all the slides in our example presentation. Notice after the wrap-up question slide, there are blank slides for each section. This will make it easier to add to any section you'd like. It's designed to support you without getting in the way of the Spirit. I share new Old Testament slides every week, and I walk through each one slide by slide here on YouTube. Look for the weekly videos if you like some teaching inspiration. And ready-made slides are available in my Etsy shop.